Amazon lets you share many Prime benefits, including Prime Video, with your family using a feature called Amazon Household. This is especially helpful if you want family members to stream movies on their own profiles without paying for separate subscriptions. So to do this, let us begin. Open Amazon Household. You need to go to amazon.com, hover over Accounts and Lists, and select your account. Then just scroll down and click Amazon Household. This is where you can add adults, teens, and children to share Prime benefits. Then you just click on Add Adults, enter their name and email address. Amazon will ask both of you to agree to share payment methods. This is required, but don't worry, each adult keeps their own account while still accessing Prime Video. Send the invitation and wait for them to accept it. And as soon as the other adult accepts, they can open Prime Video on any device and log in with their own Amazon account, not yours. They'll now have access to the full Prime Video library. If you want kids or teens to watch Prime Video, you can tap Add a Teen to give them limited access. Tap Add a Child to create a controlled kid profile for Amazon Kids Plus. And you can also return to the Amazon Household page anytime to remove someone or just adjust permissions. Remember, you can only have 2 adults in a household at one time. And that's how you share Amazon Prime Video with your family. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to help us as well, like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.